A few months back, Nokia launched the Nokia G11, and now it seems that the company will soon unveil the Plus version of the same phone. As per a report, Nokia G11 Plus has been spotted on the Geekbench database, which reveals some key specifications of the smartphone, and hints at an imminent launch. The listing indicates that the upcoming smartphone will be powered by an octa-core Unisoc processor. The Nokia handset is also listed to run on Android 12 out of the box. Apart from it, we also spotted another Nokia handset, Nokia Style Plus on China quality certification and Wi-Fi Alliance database. Let us take a closer look at the Nokia G11 Plus Geekbench benchmark scores and specifications. As initially spotted by the folks at My Smart Price, Nokia G11 Plus has appeared on Geekbench benchmarking site. Interestingly, the listing does not reveal the model number of the smartphone, however, it confirms the moniker Nokia G11 Plus. The upcoming Nokia G11 Plus made an appearance on the Geekbench 5 database. The listing didn't reveal the model number of the device, instead, it revealed the moniker. As per the listing, the upcoming Nokia handset managed to score 309 points in the single-core round of the Geekbench 5 test, whereas, in the multi-core test, the score was recorded as 1302 points. The listing shows that the Nokia G11 Plus uses an octa-core Unisoc processor, similar to the rest of the G series smartphones. It also reveals that the octa-core processor is clocked at 1.61 GHz. Moreover, the smartphone relies on Mali G57 GPU. All that information hints that the Nokia G11 Plus could be powered by Unisoc T606 SoC. The listing also indicates that the smartphone will come with 4 GB of RAM. However, the possibility of multiple storage variants cannot be ruled out. The smartphone will run on Android 12 out of the box, as mentioned above. To those unaware, the Unisoc T606 is fabbed on a 12nm manufacturing process and powers several entry-level handsets, including the Nokia G11, Moto E32, and TechnoSpark 8C. The benchmark listing also reveals that the handset will come in a 4 GB memory variant. We can expect the brand to launch the Nokia G11 Plus in other memory variants as well. The handset is confirmed to come preloaded with Android 12. This is all the information that we could get from the Geekbench listing. Nokia hasn't confirmed any details about the smartphone yet, however, judging from the processor, it will be an entry-level smartphone like the Nokia G11. To recall, Nokia G11 came with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD screen with a teardrop notch. The screen offers an HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, a 20 by 9 aspect ratio, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and a 180 Hz touch sampling rate. The Nokia Style Plus with model number TA1448 is also surfaced on the certification websites. The Wi-Fi Alliance listing for the device reveals that it will support 2.4 and 5 GHz networks. Also, the handset will ship with the latest version of Android, that is Android 12. The CQC listing for the Nokia Style Plus reveals that it will support 20-watt fast charging. What are your expectations from upcoming Nokia devices? Do let us know down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.